Now this is example 2 dealing with exponents. Now this is probably one of the most difficult problems that my students face. And as you're going to see very soon, it is a very simple problem. Dealing with radicals is kind of fun if you like mathematics, but most students run away, and you run away because you didn't get the concept when you were taught, maybe 7th and 8th grade. So let's see this. Now, you notice that they've given you this clue here. Always work for the clues. They will give you a clue, and you're going to need a clue to do your work. They said 3x minus y is equal to 12. What is this? So whenever you have exponents that behave like this, the best thing to do is to find the lowest possible base for the exponent. So here, this is 8, this is 2. So I'm going to keep 2 as my lowest base. So I'll change this here into 2. So this here, 8 to the power x over 2 to the power y, can be written as 2 is now to the power 3 all raised to the power x, and I divide this by 2 to the power y. And this 2 to the power 3 to the power x will be the same as 2 to the power 3x, and this will be 2 to the power y. Now, when you have exponential systems where with the same base, then as you divide them, you subtract the exponent. So this becomes 2 to the power 3x minus y. This is what this is. The whole, so that means the whole of this is the same as this. But guess what? Didn't they tell you 3x minus y is equal to 12, and therefore this is the same as 2 to the power 12. Instead of putting this here, I can put 12 here, right? And therefore your answer is A. So that's how you simplify basic stuff like that. It's like, so again, your best bet is to find a way to simplify this expression using the common base for the exponents. And the commonest one you can get will be the least one, which I always recommend. Take the least one. So if you're dealing with 3, 9s, 81s, use 3. If you're dealing with 2s, 16, 32s, use 2. If you're dealing with 5, 25, 125, then you use 5. And that is the best way to solve these problems.